You have an equation that is delta H is equal to delta E. You have an equation that is delta H is equal to delta E plus delta NGRT. Delta H is equal to delta E plus delta NGRT. Then delta E is given. What is that? 1364.47. Then what about delta N? What is the value of delta N? Actually it is minus 1364. What is the value of delta N? Minus. So how many gases or moles are there? 2 moles of gases. How many gaseous moles of reactant? 2 minus 3 minus 1. Oh, it is okay. 1364, there is no mistake. 1364.47 plus minus 1 into R is given 8.314 into what is the temperature? 298. And what is the answer then? Yeah, minus will be here. So what is the answer? You find out. 8.314 kilojoules per mole. Here the problem is this K you have to forget, because what is the unit of R? Sorry, what is R? R is equal to 8.314 joules per mole. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to divide this by 1000, then it will be in kilojoules. Now you will get the correct answer. You will get the last one, minus 1366.95 kilojoules per mole as the answer. Calculation part you can take care of. Minus 1366.95 kilojoules per mole. The next one, the octahedral complex of a metal ion M3 plus with 4 monodendrite ligand L1, L2, L3 and L4 absorb wavelength in the region of red, green, yellow and blue respectively. The increasing order of ligand strength of the 4 ligand is. Here the ligand strength depends on the ability to split, that crystal field splitting. Right? Do you remember the crystal field splitting? And if a ligand can make it wider, that means that is a strong ligand, right? And the transition happen in between that. If the distance is more, what happens? The energy of the radiation also increases. So let me give you the idea how to answer to this question. If the ligand strength is more, the radiation absorbed will have more energy. Radiation absorbed will have more energy. So you can, Vibgio, right? The order. What is the order? Violet, blue, indigo, green, red, right? So L1, what is the color? L1, red, right? Then L2, green. L3, yellow. Then L4, blue. So if which one is having more energy out of all this? Blue is having more energy. Then blue, after that green, after that yellow, after that red. So if the energy of the radiation is more, its strength is more, the ligand strength is more. So what is the answer? L4 is strongest, A. Then which one? Green, L2. Then L3. Then L1. A is the correct option. The most suitable reagent for conversion of RCH to OH to RCHO is, see here, you know that ROH will get converted to RCHO and it will get converted to RCOH, right? And if you use strong oxidizing agent, what will happen? Directly it will come to RCOH. It should not happen. So you should use a mild reagent, and the mild reagent is, you can even take CrO3. If you are taking acid, it will not work out. You will get acid. Actually CrO3 we take in presence of pyridine initially, and it could be this K2Cr2O7, KMnO4 both are strong. You can eliminate it easily. Then CrO3, if you take acid, it's a strong oxidizing agent. You have to take it in pyridine. Even if you are taking it in pyridine, it will get dissociated. It is not more stable. So that is solved by taking what? PCC. It's a pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate altogether. It's a complex. Okay. Pyridinium chlorochromate. The advantage is it is having more stability and dissolves in organic solvent. Dissolves in organic solvent. So the answer is PCC is the answer. C is the answer. You need to know how to find out the oxidation number. In which of the following reaction H2O2 act as a reducing agent? How do you infer the oxidation and reduction in terms of oxidation number? If oxidation number increases, it is getting oxidized. If oxidation number decreases, it is getting reduced. What is the role of the substance which is getting oxidized? It makes the other fellow reduced. So it is a reducing agent. The substance which is getting reduced make the other fellow oxidizing. So its role is oxidizing agent. So what you have to do is you have to find out the oxidation number in each case. H2O2, what is the oxidation number of oxygen? -1. It is a peroxide. Peroxides always will have -1 oxidation state. In H2O, what is the oxidation state? -2, right? So it is getting oxidized or reduced? It is getting, so it cannot be a reducing agent. If you take second one, H2O2 is accepting 2 electron and converting to O2, right? What is the oxidation number of oxygen? In all substance, when it is in elementary form, will have the oxidation state that is equal to 0. Then -1 to 0, is it get oxidizing or reducing? Oxidizing. So we can take it as reducing agent. Then third one, if you take H2O2, what is the oxidation number of H2O2? -1. What about OH minus? -1, right? Both are same, nothing is happening, right? Then what about the last one? H2O2 plus 2OH minus. So in H2O2, oxidation number of oxygen is -1, OH minus again -1, in O2 0, in H2O -2. So both are happening, reduction as well as oxidation. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Correct option is C. There are few ions you must be familiar with. One is I3 minus ion, then ICl2 minus. What is the speciality of this ion if you ask? One of the atom will be central and the connection will be like this, and the central atom will have 3 pairs of electron which are lone pairs, totally 5 pairs of electron. Out of that 2 will be bonded pairs. I3 minus 2 bond pair and 3 lone pair. What is the geometry? You know the expected geometry is trigonal, bipyramid, and the equatorial positions are more stable for lone pair of electron, and its geometry is linear. So such an ion is present over here, and I3 minus ion, and it is connected to cesium. You have to be familiar with the I3 minus ion. So iodine forms I3 minus ion. Even ICl2 minus ion will be formed. So if you know that information, it contains Cs plus and I3 minus ion. It contains CS3 plus and I minus ion. It is difficult because only one cation is there. Then it contains Cs plus I minus and lattice I2 molecule. Then you will not write CSI3. It's different. Then it is a covalent molecule. It is an ionic molecule where I3 minus ion and cesium ion is present. So the answer is A. First one is the answer. The main